everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll focus about new data. I downloaded the data from Kaggle and it's about beauty industry, and I think that maybe we can start as well to make some automatization. And in this VBA code we focus to create a new column in which we will add a formula. Then in the title we will fill in the value in yellow to see that we created it, it's not the row or the source, and then sort the new created value descending. So let's divide it by the steps. So our first step will be create the column with title. Title will be total revenue, you can see on our title of macro. Then we will try to check how many lines of code do we have, how many lines of data do we have in our data set. Then we are going to add the formula and then sort value. So let's start to check the code. So first step is set the variables. We have two variables in our code. First one is the last row, and we'll using it to check how many lines we have in our data. The second one is a worksheet to use just this worksheet that we'll need. So that is this two lines of code here, the first step. Then I already write the comments, so you should be confused to use the data. The second step is to set this worksheet. We'll use I just called it sheet 1. It was the original name from Kaggle, so I still use it. Then the next step is to check how many lines do we have. So this dim last row as long, we are checking we have the format, and we are checking how many do we have. To the next step we can calculate total revenue. Then we are adding in C1 cell, we are adding the total revenue name, so new column with total revenue. Then the most important thing, so the logic in the formula. Logic which you applied is taken from data, so you can see it here. We can see that range is from E2, so after the title we have the data, and we're going to the last row. So the last row is checking how many lines do we have. And the formula is very simple. So basically the logic is that we are taking the price in C column multiplied by E1, so the number of sold product, and then we are minus this value by, so here we have price multiplied by sold product and amount of sold product, of course. Then we are minus value by sum of number of sold product, but multiplied by cost. So sum of the cost, sum of the revenue minus sum of the cost, and we're going till the end of the value. Then we have the structure with and with for the range E1. So for range E1 we want to have color 65535, basically is the yellow color, and you have the with and structure, so we can put all the values that we want to have in this cell as a color in this case. And that's it, with and the last thing is create the descending. And with this code we are checking, we are using the filters, then we are going and use the descending value. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.